Hey guys, welcome to Red's Projects. As you can see, the time has come. XG is on the dyno. Got 2 full blue bottles, so we're gonna have some fun tonight. Very excited, but also I'm very nervous, anxious, and shitting my pants at the same time. But I'm gonna be cautious about it, and everything should be fine. So the plan is I'm gonna do a timing sweep of it NA, just to confirm that it likes X amount of degrees NA, give me a good base to pull timing out for nitrous. So probably gonna do, I don't know, 6 or 7 runs or something, establish, I'm gonna start really low and establish what timing it likes. I'm not gonna show you all of them because they'll all look exactly the same, but I'll do that and then I'll talk to you again before we spray it. Alright, so I did my timing sweep. I started at about 20 degrees and worked my way up to 28, and it still seems the happiest at about 26. There is a slight gain going to 28, but it's stuff all, so I prefer to leave it at 26. That's where I'm going to be starting from. First thing I'll be doing will be 100 shots, so I'm going to pull probably 5 or 6 out just to be real safe. The main thing I'm concerned about is what the hell the AFRs are going to do, so I'm going to be watching that like a hawk. Then after that, probably gonna put a fresh set of plugs in it, do another run, and when I know the AFR is good, and see where the burn mark is on the strap, and just go from there. Set of plugs in it, hit it again, and we're going to see if we can see good burn on the strap to work out if the timing's pretty good. And if that's all sweet, then we'll turn the second kit on. Alright, so that one went fine. I had a look at a couple of plugs and they look good. I can see a mark on a couple of them, so I'm pretty happy with the 100 shot tune-up. So I don't really want to jet up the first kit, I just want to leave it at 100, leave it small, leave it simple. I think it's time to turn the second kit on, which is another 100 shot on top. The nitrous jet's the same, I believe it's a 47 off the top of my head, 46 or 47. And then the fuel jets, I know on the second kit it's 2 sizes bigger, so it might be like a 36 and a 38 or something. I can't remember, I'll put it up on the screen somewhere. But I've already flowed the second system, 6 psi like the other system, so I've weighed the bottle's still got 7 pounds in it. So I'll set up the second kit on a mini, let it run for a little bit, let the bottle get some more temp into it, and we'll try 200. 200 again, and see how that goes. Alright, I jetted the second kit up to a 200 shot. I put the number 8 plugs in it. Everything, all the plugs came out, looked awesome from the 200 shot. My purger stopped working, the wiring going to it, so I've just got some wires to quickly purge it, then jump in the car and take a run. I just need to pull the timing out. I'll probably take another 6 degrees out just to be real safe, because I'm kind of getting up there. And I'll just watch the AFR like a hawk, and yeah, fingers crossed, see how we go. All right, I'm done for the day. I've still got a bit of shit to do, and it's like 11:30. So I'm going to end the video off here. All in all, I learnt a lot. Just a quick recap. NA was good. It made 260. 100 shot was good. AFR was good. Timing was good. It made 300-ish, 305, something like that. Adding another 100 shot with the second kit was good as well. AFR was good, timing was good, and it made 344, 345 kilowatt. And then the 300 shot didn't respond as well. So that was 100 shot on the first kit, 200 shot on the second kit. It went stupid rich. And that was the first run. I jetted it down by a fair bit, about 8 sizes, I think. Maybe 6, something like that anyway. But I jetted it down, still really rich. Jetted it down just a little bit more because I think I went from a 65 to a 63 the second time, because the next jump was 55 or something that I had. So I jetted a little bit and then took a pound of fuel pressure out, and it was still way too rich. It was still like 10, 8, 11 to 1 type thing. So there's still some power left on the table with that. But timing looked good on the 300 shot, and the car took it. It didn't lift a head. It didn't do anything silly. So that's good. And it made 370 kilowatt and 700 newton meters. So I'm pretty impressed with that. I was hoping for 400 kilowatt, but I think with this converter, it's not really putting the numbers to the rollers, if that makes sense. Like, it's still quick, but like every time the torque jumps up, it pushes through the converter a bit more. So yeah, if the converter was tighter, it'd probably show a higher number, but I mean, the car's gonna be rocket ship with that power anyway. But yeah, learnt a lot. Yeah, that's the whole reason why I spent $300 on nitrous and $100 on plugs, was to just get some good solid data and learn a bit and push the car a little bit. So I will be revisiting this. I'll get both bottles filled again, and we'll start again with the 300 shot and try and get that a bit nicer. because I think both bottles are pretty much empty now. Yeah, that's it. I'm stuffed. I want to go home. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.